Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Valerie. In this video, I want to share with you some thrifting finds. Now, home decor thrifting finds. Going forth, what I will be doing is I'll be uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Mondays, I will do sewing lesson. So it doesn't have to be actual stitching something, but I will do some lesson that relates to home decor sewing. And then on Wednesday, I will be doing home decor thrifting because I've always liked to do that. Not only thrifting, but stooping. Yeah, I realize that there's actually a term for it now, something that I've always enjoyed doing. We're in the countryside now, but when we were in the city, what I would do is figure out when we have like garbage day in different neighborhoods that were in our vicinity, and then I would just go out and I shop to see what's there. And sometimes you would actually find some very good stuff, and I'm not afraid to pick them up and refinish them because that is something that I enjoy doing a lot. So yeah, look out for those thrifting and stooping videos on Wednesday. Fridays, I'll be doing something that relates to home decor, actual projects that you can do to spiff up your homes, right? Okay, so let's get started and show you all the things that I thrifted. And guess what? My hubby and I went out to pick up one thing, and it resulted in so many things that we picked up. And that is why, if you're a skeptic about thrifting, I hope after this video you won't be, and you will be willing to do some thrifting because it's pretty fun, eh? And so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this cabinet right behind me here. Okay, so let's talk about this cabinet a little. I started looking for a cabinet because in my kitchen, as you can see here, I have open shelves here. On here, I have like a charging station, and for me, there is just too much dust that's been caught on the shelves. So I decided I wanted to have closed storage here. And that's what sparked my search. So I found this cabinet recently. And you wouldn't want to guess how much I paid for it, would you? Go ahead and guess how much I paid for it. I won't tell you. Just leave it in the comment section below, and I will see if you come anywhere close to what I really paid for this cabinet. It comes with 3 shelves, and it is solid pine. It doesn't have a door, but that's no biggie. We will be making doors for it, and it will be going right here where I'll take all this out. It will replace this station here. However, what's going to happen is I have to do some modifications. So when I say I will do the modifications, I mean my hubby will do the modifications for me, because I just let him know what I need to get done. We'll bounce ideas off each other, and then he will make it happen. I'm very happy that he will make it happen for me, and I will take you guys along with me so you can see exactly how I finish off this space in my kitchen. Just gonna put the shelves in so you guys can get an actual picture of what I have here. There you go. That's the cabinet, friends. So this will be great storage in my kitchen. Go ahead and leave your guess in the comment section. How much did I pay for this? Okay, so let's make our way into my dining room, and you can cover your eyes while we pass through here, because at this time of the year, the end of summer into fall, there's a lot going on. So there's a lot lying around here, like my vanity off to the right here. You guys, if you haven't checked it out, you can check it out on the channel to see how we put this vanity together for under 600 bucks, 600 Canadian dollars, that is. I have to specify. Okay, yeah, so here we go. Let's check out that thing that looks like a trunk right there. That's one of the things that I got, or I should say we got, because it was my hubby and I, when we went to pick up that shelving unit. Check this out. It is 100% wood. And look at that. This is great storage. And not only is this great storage, but all I have to do is make a cushion for the top, which I can do. And it becomes great seating as well. Something like this, I could use in like a living area for as a tabletop. You could actually use it as a coffee table. You could make the cushion, and you could keep the cushion inside, and when you want to use it as seating, then you just take the cushion out and you put it on top, and it's excellent seating. You could also put this in a bedroom for storage. You could put it in a child's bedroom because of the hinges that's on the trunk itself. When you push it, it doesn't slam, so it would never hurt a child. So a child could use this for storage for toys. You could put the cushion on top for them for seating. Yeah, there are a myriad of ways that this wooden trunk could be used. Let's bring it a little closer and show it to you. Detail on the front here, like a raised panel, and then it has the ball legs. Yeah, that's a lovely trunk. Now off to the side here is another lovely piece that we got. And I say we got it because we literally got them. We went to pick the cabinet up, and the, bless her, was so nice. She gave us so many things that I'll have to do a part 2 to show you what you can get when you thrift. You never know what you will pick up. Right, we happened upon a very lovely lady who was very kind, and so yeah, don't be afraid of thrifting. Ain't anything wrong with thrifting. The one thing I make sure I do is find if the person has pets, no problems, but I don't do the smoking thing. I try to get things that come from a home that is smoke free. Okay, so yeah, we got this lovely bench here. Check that out. Wooden legs, chenille fabric, and it's a pretty lovely fabric and all, but I think maybe somewhere down the line I will reupholster it. It actually can be used as a bench in a passage where you want to have casual seating, or it could be used in the entrance where you can sit to put your shoes on, in your bedroom, in your bathroom, if you have a big bathroom. But yeah, this bench, this trunk, the cabinet I showed you, and there's actually something else to top it off that I will show to you. Okay, so let's go on through to the family room now. Yeah, that's it. This is the couch here that we got just by picking up the cabinet. Check that out. It's a lovely two-seater couch. And it came finished with cushions. And the color fits nicely into my decor here in the home. And what makes it even better is that it's a slip-covered couch. So all this can be removed and washed. When we picked it up, it was clean. It smells good. Something like this would be drenched with smoke if it's not a smoke-free home. I'm not afraid of thrifting, and you shouldn't be afraid of thrifting either. Now, I didn't tell you how much we paid for the cabinet. However, I will tell you now where we thrifted the cabinet from that ended up in us getting all this stuff. And it is Facebook Marketplace. Now, I'm no stranger to Facebook Marketplace, and I am not afraid to thrift on Facebook Marketplace because we do sell things on Facebook Marketplace too. You can find good stuff there. And if you can save some money and end up with something like this, ain't no shame in the game. Go ahead, thrift, and save, friends. Just a closer look at this couch that we scored from Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, you see what I'm talking about when I say that it fits nicely into the color scheme? Check out my rug and check out the colors on the couch. What do you think, friends? It's as though it was meant to be, eh? Thank you, friends, for spending the time with me. I appreciate you. Please let me know in the comment section how much do you think I paid for that cabinet. Let me also know, have you ever thrifted? What are some of your thrifting finds? If you've never thrifted, do you think you'll ever go thrifting? Are you inspired to go thrifting? I hope you are, because really, it's a good thing to do, right? Not only do you save your pocket, but you help to save the environment, so lots of these things don't end up in the landfills. You have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscription button. I'll give you a minute to hit. Yeah, thank you so much for hitting it. And remember to hit also the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.